Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Oracle PL SQL programming. In this video, we will discuss how we can use the SQL Plus from command prompt. To get started, we can proceed in two ways. The first one, go to Start menu. Search for the Oracle menu. That means from the all programs, we can find the Oracle. And here under the submenu application development, we have the SQL Plus. Click on it. The SQL Plus opens. Here we can use the username. The username must be system. Press enter and it is asking for the password. That is the same password we provided during the Oracle database installation. You can check the previous video, whatever we have done for the Oracle installation. The password we provided, that is password, that means PASSWORD. So we are typing here, and whatever we are typing here, the password, that must be hidden. Press enter and here the message come, the last successful login time, and connected to the Oracle database 21C Express Edition release. Now we can proceed in another way. At first we are closing it. Once again go to the Start menu and search for the command prompt. Here type SQL Plus. Press enter. It is also asking the same, that means the username. We are typing here the username as system and the password is the same as before, PASSWORD, and press enter. So once again it is connected to the Oracle database 21C Express Edition and the release version. So already we are connected to the database. To disconnect the database, we may use the disconnect command, and for that we can type simply the 4-letter DISC, that is for the disconnection, and press enter. The message comes disconnected from the Oracle database 21C Express Edition release. To connect the database once more, we should type the CONN, that means for the connection, SYS for the system, as sysdba, sys as sysdba. Press enter and here it asks only for the password. So the password already we know, that is the password, and press enter. That is the same password as before we have used, and the message comes, that is connected. So once again we are disconnecting from the database, and for that we are typing DISC. So next one, simply type CONN. Here we are not typing consys as sysdba. We are just typing CONN. Before that, the command prompt is looking very clumsy. So we can clear the screen, and for that we can type CLSCR. We here can use the semicolon after the statement or not, there would be no problem. Press enter Already we have seen the command prompt is looking clear. So here we are typing CONN. Press enter. Now it is asking for the username and we are typing system. Then press enter and the password PASSWORD. Press enter. Once again the message is here that we are connected to the database. To check the database really connected or not, we may use some comments or statements here. Suppose select star from tab. After that, we have to use the semicolon. That is a must. Press enter and we can check here all the tables present. So, the statement is executing right. In the next video, we should discuss on the Oracle SQL developer. As we have used the connection within command prompt, we can use the SQL developer to connect and SQL programming through the graphical user interface. So, in the next video, we should check how to install, configure and execute the SQL developer or the SQL developer to execute all the SQL commands. Up to that, CLSCR. At that moment, we are using the semicolon. Thanks for watching.